Alright, back on the truck, man. So I'm like 2 hours away from done. Like 2 hours away. Painted the whole rotor, the breaker, get the middle piece. I just want it to look clean. But literally there. This the parts pile now. So stabilizing bushings, and then this last bar. Flush the brakes. Paint the calipers. Well, I'm looking for my wire brush so I can do that. Put these bump stops on. I got the bracket on for it. The keys, torsion keys, put those back on. And I think that's it, man. It was a whole bunch of extra nuts and bolts because this fit a wide range of cars. So I'm over here looking like, did I do this? Did I do that? I'm steady looking through the book. All the shocks and stuff come with extra washers, different size rings. Yeah, that. I'm like, dang, did I get it done? So I got the shock on the other side. I still got to do some Zerk fittings for the lower ball joints because they came with 90s, and I can't turn it on. Like, show y'all. I can't turn the hold on, where is the ball joint? Yeah, y'all can see it. I can't turn the Zerk fitting in there at all. Like, even before I put the axle and everything on. So gotta go find some Zerk fittings, but that's gonna be the last part. So I'm gonna do everything else, flush the brakes, bleed the brakes, I mean. Clean up all this. Once that's done, Zerk fittings, grease them, and then put the wheels on. We do a test run. But yeah, still working, man. I couldn't make it a how-to anymore. It was just taking too much time. But yeah, I'm working, and y'all finna see the finished product in a second. All right, we hit another roadblock, man. With the caliper on, just won't go in all the way. So I was just trying to see if the nut, the threaded part on it will go through. And it actually do. Y'all see it moving a little bit. So took it back out. Alright. Looks good. Now, thread it in a little bit. Hold on.
What is this, the sensor?
Yeah.
That shit right up on the camera.
It ain't going no guard. Probably supposed to take it off the old. Do the bitch's way. I don't think I've seen one though. Check from a video. Yeah. So y'all can see. So I guess I'm gonna be grinding it. But even with the brake pad on, like, it look like it's not gonna clear steel. That's why I end up taking it off. Like, hey, this ain't supposed to look like this. Yeah, I probably can't even see what's going on. Yeah, right there. Pad hitting on it. So, yeah, this part you can see just sitting here how uneven it is. It's like slanted. So, let me go ahead and send it up. Yeah, this one is all the way down. This one won't even go on. You know, even if you try to like put them both on together. Won't work because the brake pad won't clear. So I'm gonna try to put the other side on. Alright, man, this is what I came up with. Since this part of the caliper don't hold any fluid or nothing like that, just trim this down. I already painted it, man, that sucked. But hey, you know, for the brake pads, I'm trying to see how much of it need to clear. It don't look like a lot, but let me get this bottom flush. So that corner, hopefully that's it on that side. Let me go ahead and get the trimming. Alright, man, would never guess you had to do all that, but yep, you had to. So I'll paint this over and then do the other side, same way. There. This was what I used to mark the torsion key adjustments. The alignment is way off. Like that wheel over there is straight and this one's turned. So I have to play with that. Still need them Zerk fittings. I got some at home. Hopefully I got the size. Yeah, y'all can see the alignment. Still gotta put these brackets in. All that's done back there. U-joint is tight. Everything's good. The upper control arms, still have to tighten those. So this is all the pieces left. Steering stabilizers. What's up, YouTube? We back. Man, just got out of PT. So this lift is crazy, bro. Like crazy. All right, man. Give y'all a little rundown. So, brake lines gotta be flush. I left this side on jack stands because the alignment is so far off. Y'all can see this wheel is straight and this wheel is turned to the right. So if I center the wheels, one will be like this and the other one will be like that. So I'm like way behind. I actually thought this would be a faster process, but this lift takes a lot of time, man. I don't know if it's me putting some unrealistic times on what I'm doing, or I don't know what it is, man, because I feel like I should be making way more progress faster. So I really don't know. So I'll show y'all something. The stabilizing bars, the steering stabilizers. It's a pretty cool setup, but let me see if I can show you. Yeah, right there, man. It's pretty cool setup. I like how they work. So it's two shock absorbers attached to the steering stabilizer. So when they move back and forth, it moves back and forth. It's pretty cool how it works. Like I said, I've always lifted two-wheel drive cars for rims and whatever else, but never a 4x4. So it's pretty cool. And then for this rear end, man, I don't know if this is a thing, but on cars, you know, you got trailing arms, upper and lower. So there's no trailing arms here. So I was thinking if I loosened the U-bolts and jacked up the front of the diff and brung it up some, it'll stick the drive shaft in some more, and then it'll be a better angle, which is what I want. I want a way better angle. So I don't know if that's like really a thing or if it's possible, but I'm gonna get at a shot. I want the drive shaft and the diff to be at the same exact angle, cause yeah, it'd be like the most, you know what I'm saying. So other than that, man, I go on leave on Friday, so literally 20 something days of straight work, well, minus Sunday. And Friday, I convinced my wife to let me work, but she had to come help. And I don't plan on being over here from like 6 a.m. to 10 o'clock, probably like 6 to 4, something like that. So I still want to hang out with my family a little bit, but that's way more than 4 hours a day. That's 10 hours a day. That's grind time. If I can get up earlier than 6, if I feel like I can get up earlier than that, I get up earlier than that, but I'm trying to leave at 3, 4 o'clock every day while the sun's up. Still got time to do certain stuff, so it's gonna be interesting, man. Telling y'all a whole bunch of lit content. But yeah, this truck is there. Y'all can see the alignment is way. This wheel is slanted. probably can't really tell. Let me step back some more. Yeah, see it at an angle. But definitely going to the alignment shop. I'm gonna get it to where it's actually drivable. And we're gonna go to the exhaust and then get the line. So this is up there, man. Like I'm 5'8". My wife said I'm not, but I got measured yesterday after the APLT, and yeah, this thing is huge. I was thinking, like, man, I should just try to paint it before, cause now it's like, I have to get a letter. But yeah, so next, since the exhaust, man, I canceled the appointment actually because work is taking me over. So I just said, hey, I'm gonna call you a day in advance and I'll drop it off and then you can have it that morning. So I'm gonna put it on a 3-car hauler because these tires, man, $250 each. So I don't wanna have anything crazy going on with the tires when it's time for them to get a line. So the max they'll have on them is 100 feet. And I don't want no problem. So we just gonna put it on a 3-car. There's no wheel wells or nothing that could stop. That could hit this. So just roll it up there, strap it down. We take it over there, put it back on, bring it back over here, do what we can, find an alignment shop, and get it over there, and then yeah. So we should be getting some audio in this possibly Saturday, a sound test with a meter. I think this boy gonna do like 155. Got a second, well, the original battery getting swapped to XX Power. I think it's a D3400, but I'm not too sure. All the terminals, I gotta do the ground wires for the amps back there. False floor, alarm should be here this weekend. So I don't know if I want to do an alarm first, because that's it's quick if you got a full day. Some people can knock it out in, man, 3 hours. Not me. I need a little bit more time. I'm just like a wiring fanatic, so I like to do it my way, my speed. But other than that, man, we back rolling. But yeah, thought I'd give y'all that update. This video should come out tomorrow because I started back to the basics. So y'all just keep y'all head on the swivel, man. And then next week, box Chevy getting mounted up. So I'm about to get me some Port 15 for all my suspension parts. I got new ball joints already that I ordered for the blue box. I ordered 2 sets, and I thought I did, but I didn't really know. So once I found it, I was like, oh, I did order it. So now those B-body parts should swap. So the splindles and hubs are from a 96 Impala, and all the measurements should line up. So I'm gonna confirm that when I knock the ball joints out. If they don't, then I just order some. But still, it's gonna get put on this week. Next week. So y'all just keep y'all heads and eyes open. I'm telling y'all, it's about to be a whole lot of everything going on. Audio lifts, motor work, everything. Yeah, my bad. Made a mistake and cut the camera off, but I was doing a lot of talking. So as a lot of y'all know, I'm just a regular person, which some people don't really understand. I'm not a big YouTuber getting stupid fat checks, nothing crazy like that, man. So I have to pick up jobs to fund these projects and stuff that I'm doing. So it take time to do this stuff, and that's why I take customer cars, I do flip cars, and I do quick stuff like alarms, boxes, wiring here and there. So they pay for it itself, but it just takes some time, and a lot of people don't understand that. And haircuts too, do haircuts. Probably gonna stop doing that though, but yep. Let me go ahead, wash up so I can get ready to go to work. Got some important stuff I gotta do, and I'm out.